We're going to show you how easy it is to split a path in Adobe Illustrator. Splitting a path means we can take any shape and cut it up into its individual segments. We're going to compare doing this by hand with the scissor tool versus using the PathScribe panel from Astute Graphics. In this document, I have the background leaf which I can lock off, leaving me with 4 closed paths. Now usually when you want to split a path, you need to grab the scissor tool, the shortcut key press is the letter C, and then you can carefully click the path in all the places you want to cut. And this can be extremely time consuming and fiddly. So let's undo that and instead jump over to the PathScribe panel. Select all the objects you want to split. The PathScribe panel even shows me that I have 4 closed paths selected. And all we need to do is press the split path button, which is the scissor icon. And this splits all the selected points, keeping their original shape and handles. I can grab one and pull it apart, and we can also see the individual segments now in the Layers panel. The PathScribe panel now says we have 48 open paths selected. There's one more final trick I want to show you to prove that all the paths have been split. If I grab the Extend Path tool, which is stacked under the PathScribe tool, I can hover over one path end to show you a red marker, and clicking and dragging we can trim or extend the path's length. Extend Path tool is previewing the extension, following that original geometry, and pressing the A key means we can affect all the selected paths. In just a few clicks, and as if by magic, we have quickly split and trimmed all the selected paths using PathScribe from Astute Graphics. You can find out more about PathScribe and the Extend Path tool using the links in the description.